ధరణి న్యూస్ జనం కోసం నిజం కోసం సామాన్యుని గొంతుక.
Solution to COVID is only vaccination. Until and unless we drive this program aggressively, we will never be in a position to give a solution to this. So within the limitations that we have, until and unless we take this program aggressively, we will never come up with a proper solution. A village secretariat taken as a unit, a ward secretariat taken as a unit, making sure that the volunteers and the ASHA workers go aggressively to every house, take an attendance register, and make a note of the people and their age, and then give them a particular date that so and so day your doctors will come to this village, and we'll have these PHC doctors connected, the 104 and 108 ambulances also available, the doctors from 104 also would be available, and then the Grama Secretariat, A&M, and everybody will be available at that particular date in that particular village. And based on an attendance, what the volunteers have already completed, we will tick, and we will make sure everybody is vaccinated at the Grama Sachivalayam or the Ward Sachivalayam. That is the only way forward to come up with a solution for this. One very important aspect is, by April 15th, Kalla, all the schools slow, Mottam works, including the painting, that is the only thing what is left out, will be completed. Any education secretary is reassuring me. Towards this month end, we will dedicate the entire 15,715 first phase schools to the people, and we will start the second phase of Nadu Nedu schools towards this month end. In the meanwhile, what I'd like to request all the collectors is, constitute one third party inquiry by SERP, self-help groups though, so that they visit every school, they give you a report as to Nadu Nedu program slow, is everything done or not. Just in case something is just missed out in some school here and there, we can also make sure that focus is put so as to make sure that everything is done by the time we launch the second phase at the end of April. So that we also can be doubly sure that we've done everything is properly put in order, everything is in order. Now, my request to the collectors are, not only these 4 requests, but the entire 540 services also you need to focus on. Are we giving within the stipulated time frame or not? That is the challenge that we are facing. And we need to make sure that we deliver within the stipulated time frame. Why 95% is the question what I asked. Be it rice card, be it pension card, be it house side, be it Arogyashri card. Why should it be the case where only 95% are resolved within the time frame? Why not 100%? Please make sure that we get 100% score. I do not want, after revising this, I do not want any complaints which say that Even after this, we've not received. That should not be the outcome. So please make sure that we get to this 100% mark. Collectors and joint collectors should regularly review this. Only then things will fall in place. It is very, very important that you at your level periodically, regularly review this. In fact, CMO is going to review with the collectors every Thursday. Please make a note of this day, because this is the day when CMO directly would review this along with Grammar Secretariat and Ward Secretariat Secretary. Every Thursday. So that every alternate Tuesday when we meet up for Spandana, we also are sure that these things are happening as per plan. There is no breach of the SLA. So we are properly addressing the issues. It's very important that the kind of focus that needs to be applied to needs to be put up there.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Dharani TV.